Smartsheet has carved out a distinct niche in the project and work management software market. Its spreadsheet-like interface, combined with robust project management features like Gantt charts, automation, and reporting, makes it a powerful and flexible tool. This unique blend often leads businesses to wonder if Microsoft, a titan in the software industry, offers a direct counterpart. So, the question is, does Microsoft have an app like Smartsheet? As a project management expert, I can say that Microsoft doesn't have one single, identical application that directly mirrors Smartsheet's specific combination of spreadsheet-like flexibility and comprehensive project management features. Instead, Microsoft offers a suite of tools within its Microsoft 365 ecosystem that, when used individually or in combination, can achieve many of the functionalities found in Smartsheet. The key difference lies in Smartsheet being a single, integrated platform designed from the ground up to be spreadsheet meets project management, whereas Microsoft provides a collection of specialized applications that you often need to connect to achieve similar results. Let's explore Microsoft's offerings and how they compare. 1. Microsoft Excel, the spreadsheet foundation. At the heart of Smartsheet's appeal is its familiar spreadsheet interface. Microsoft, of course, has the undisputed king of spreadsheets, Microsoft Excel. Similarities to Smartsheet's interface. Excel offers rows, columns, formulas, and cells, the core visual structure that Smartsheet builds upon. Many project managers already use Excel for basic task lists, tracking, and simple Gantt charts, often through templates. Limitations. While flexible, Excel lacks the inherent project management intelligence of Smartsheet. It doesn't automatically understand task dependencies, critical paths, or resource leveling without extensive manual setup and complex formulas. Collaboration in real time is improving but still not as seamless for complex project workflows as dedicated PM tools. It's excellent for data manipulation and analysis, but it's not a purpose-built project management system. 2. Microsoft Lists, structured information management. Microsoft Lists, often seen as an evolution of SharePoint lists, is perhaps the closest Microsoft has to Smartsheet's flexible data grid for structured information. Similarities to Smartsheet. Lists allows you to create highly customizable lists to track anything from issues and assets to events and contacts. You can define various column types, text, numbers, dates, choices, apply conditional formatting, and create different views, grid, calendar, gallery. It offers some basic automation through Power Automate. Limitations. While good for tracking and organizing, Microsoft Lists is primarily a structured data repository. It lacks the robust project management features inherent in Smartsheet, such as advanced Gantt charting, critical path analysis, resource management views, and complex workflow automation built directly into the UI. It's more about managing items than actively managing projects with all their associated complexities. 3. Microsoft Planner, simple task management. For simpler team task management, Microsoft offers Microsoft Planner. Similarities to Smartsheet's Kanban view. Planner provides a Kanban-style board view, allowing teams to visualize tasks in different stages, e.g., to do, in progress, completed. It supports assigning tasks, setting due dates, adding checklists, and attaching files. It's integrated with Microsoft Teams, making it easy for teams to collaborate. Limitations. Planner is intentionally simple. It lacks the detailed dependency management, advanced reporting, resource leveling, and robust automation capabilities found in Smartsheet. It's great for straightforward team tasks but falls short for complex projects with intricate schedules and resource needs. 4. Microsoft Project, traditional project management powerhouse. When people think of Microsoft and project management, Microsoft Project is often the first tool that comes to mind. Similarities to Smartsheet's core PM functionality. Microsoft Project offers powerful Gantt charting, critical path analysis, resource leveling, cost management, and detailed scheduling. It's designed for professional project managers handling large, complex projects. Differences/limitations compared to Smartsheet. Microsoft Project, historically, has been a more desktop-centric, heavier, and often more complex tool to learn and use. While cloud versions exist, Project for the web, project online, they often require a deeper understanding of project management principles to utilize effectively. Smartsheet's appeal lies in its spreadsheet familiarity combined with project capabilities, making it more accessible to a wider audience, including those who aren't full-time project managers. Smartsheet also generally offers more intuitive real-time collaboration and automation features directly within its interface compared to Project, which often relies on Power Automate for deeper automation. 5. Microsoft Azure DevOps for software development and Agile. For software development teams, especially those working with Agile methodologies, Azure DevOps is Microsoft's comprehensive offering. Similarities/differences. Azure DevOps includes tools for backlog management, sprints, Kanban boards, CI/CD pipelines, and version control. While it has project management components, its focus is heavily on software development lifecycle management. Smartsheet, while flexible enough for some Agile workflows, isn't specialized for the developer experience in the same way Azure DevOps is. 6. Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, the customization layer. The true Smartsheet-like power in Microsoft's ecosystem often comes from combining its core applications with the Power Platform. Power Apps allows you to build custom applications without extensive coding, which could be used to create forms or interfaces for data stored in lists or SharePoint. Power Automate, formerly Microsoft Flow, this is Microsoft's equivalent to Smartsheet's robust automation engine. You can use Power Automate to create complex workflows across different Microsoft apps and many third-party apps, such as sending notifications, moving data, or triggering actions based on specific conditions. This is where you can truly replicate many of Smartsheet's intelligent automations. Power BI. For advanced reporting and dashboards, Power BI can pull data from Excel, lists, project, and other sources to create highly visual and interactive reports, similar to Smartsheet's dashboards.